Hi Psyche Truth fam, welcome to this 10-part stretching series. I designed this series to help you release stress from your body before bed so that you can sleep well. Throughout this series, you're going to see some stretches that you've never seen before, and that's okay. Know that I'm right there with you doing them as well. So when you're ready, slip into something comfy, find a nice space, and let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video right now, go ahead and save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. So we're going to go ahead and get started with a grounding breath, placing your right palm, then your left over your heart, and closing your eyes. Take a deep breath in, breathing in love. Exhale, let any tension go from your body. Wonderful job. Take another deep breath in, breathing in peace. Exhale, let go of any stress that you've accumulated throughout your day. Wonderful. Take another deep breath in, breathing in stillness. Exhale, let go of any impatience running around your mind. Repeat after me. I am right here, right now, nowhere else. When you're ready, put a warm smile on your face, open your eyes, and let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and start with some eye box stretches. So this is gonna be very simple. Listen to my cue. Take a deep breath in as you look straight ahead in front of you. Exhale, send your gaze to your upward left corner of the room and hold. Deep breath in right here. Deep breath out. Wonderful job. Now go ahead and send your gaze to your bottom left corner of the room and hold. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Excellent. Now take a look at your upward right corner of the room. Continue breathing. I know this might seem silly, but it is helping you have better reflexes. So continue doing this practice. Now take a look at your bottom right corner of the room and hold. Breathing in, breathing out. Excellent job. Now go ahead and look straight in front of you and close your eyes to reset, to neutralize your gaze. And when you're ready, maybe blink a few times and open your eyes. Wonderful. Now we're going to go ahead and bring our fingertips to our forehead. Just place them right here. And we're going to start with some circle rotations, releasing any tension we have in our forehead. And start circling up and down. Come with me. So a lot of times it's very usual that when we go through a stressful situation, we frown our face immediately, so we start holding this tension in our forehead. So we want to make sure we're getting rid of it right now, flushing any stagnant energy that no longer serves us from our forehead. So continue circling up and down. And feel free to maybe move around your forehead, maybe to the sides. And just breathe in that love. Exhale that tension. Right, so start moving around your forehead, breathing in that peace, exhaling that stress, coming to your middle, breathing in that stillness, exhaling the impatience. Maybe right above the middle of your eyebrows, continue massaging. Wonderful job. Go ahead and release your arms. Excellent. Now we're going to go ahead and place our fingertips just right here on our right collarbone. We're not doing anything other than placing them. Now we're going to take a deep breath in as we lengthen our neck and chin all the way up and hold. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Continue stretching. Continue breathing. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Wonderful job. Give me another breath. Excellent. Go ahead and switch sides. Now placing our left fingertips right here on our left collarbone. Take a deep breath in as you lengthen your neck all the way up. Deep breath out as you settle into this pose. Continue breathing in. Breathing out. As you inhale, you lengthen your neck. As you exhale, you surrender into this stretch. Last one, deep breath in. Deep breath out. Wonderful job. Go ahead and come to neutral. Excellent. Now with our right fingertips, we're going to go ahead and place them on our neck. And we're just going to start massaging our neck in circular motion. Let's go. Start with me breathing in as you circle one side, breathing out as you circle to the opposite side. Excellent job. Start moving around your neck. Our neck is one of those places that we always, it's almost like instinct to store any stress and tension. So make sure that you're really massaging into it. If you notice that there's a part in your neck that is feeling more tender than usual, that is hurting a little bit more, feel free to spend a little more time massaging that area and really tuning into your breath. So I think I just found my area that's a little more tender. So I'm going to make sure I take a deep breath in right here. Deep breath out as I let go of that tension. And you'll start noticing how those little knots around your neck start to dissolve. Then come directly to the back of your neck. Continue massaging it. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Excellent job. Go ahead and release your fingertips to the side. Now let's repeat it on the other side. So starting from the side of our neck, let's start breathing in gently. Inhale. Exhale. Start moving around your neck. Really allowing yourself to feel that tension releasing. Really allowing yourself to feel that stress decomposing. Continue breathing in. Breathing out. Feel free to close your eyes. This whole class is for you to de-stress and relax. So whatever that looks like, there's no judgment. Continue massaging it gently. Exhale. Excellent job. Now go ahead and release those fingers. Go ahead and interlace those fingers and bring them above your head. And go ahead and gently start pulling your head down to stretch the back of your neck. On that inhale, you pull your head down. On that exhale, you stay in the stretch. Deep breath in as you let gravity do its thing. Deep breath out as you accept the stretch. Continue breathing in. Breathing out. Wonderful job. Last breath. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Excellent. Go ahead and return to neutral position. Bring your hands right here by your side. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer into our tabletop position. Wonderful. So making our way into that tabletop position, we're going to go ahead and take a deep breath in for a cow. Exhale for a cat. From that cat, go ahead and plant your head on the mat. Stay right here. And grab hold of your ankles. and shift your weight forward. Feeling that natural stretch of the neck happen. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in, rolling forward. Deep breath out. Give me 2 more breaths at your own pace. Really tune into this stretch of the neck. Breathing in stillness. Breathing out impatience. When you're ready, go ahead and return to that tabletop position slowly. And then transferring ourselves into a reverse tabletop. So coming right here into the reverse tabletop, we're just going to place our fingertips facing forward. And on that inhale, we're going to lift ourselves up and allow our head to dangle heavy right here. And hold. Taking a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale love. Exhale tension. Inhale peace. Exhale stress. Slowly coming down first, and then bringing your neck slowly back into neutral. Wonderful, wonderful job. Now we're going to come back into that seated position. I like to sit above a little cushion just to be more comfortable. So do whatever works for you. And when you come to this position, I want for you to go ahead and place your right hand on your left side of your head, and then simply bring it down to your shoulder. Slowly. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Feel that side stretch of your neck. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Close your eyes if that is more comfortable to you. Continue breathing. One more. Excellent job. Go ahead and release that hand. Let's do the opposite side. So grab a hold of the right side of your head and simply gently bring some pressure into that so that the right side of your neck stretches. And start connecting to your breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Inhale love. Exhale tension. Inhale peace. Exhale stress. Inhale stillness. Exhale impatience. When you're ready, come back to neutral. Allow your left hand to drop and give your neck a nice circle. Wonderful job. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and do a scalp massage. So if you have a head tie or anything of this sort, go ahead and take it off. Just set it to the side. And we're going to go ahead and use our fingers to interlace between our hair. And at the top, we're just going to simply start pulling our hair up a little bit, slightly and gently, allowing any tension from our scalp to dissolve. Start breathing in, feeling that scalp massage. Breathing out. Feels so amazing to do this. Continue massaging your scalp. Breathing in, breathing out. Allow your fingers to move to other parts of your scalp. If you feel like one area needs more massage than the other, feel free to do so. And just continue moving gently across your scalp, connecting to that breath. Wonderful job. And when you're ready, go ahead and release your arms to your legs. Taking a deep breath in, closing your eyes. Deep breath out. Bring the palms of your hands together, eyes closed. May you breathe in love, peace, and stillness throughout the rest of your day. When you're ready, put a warm smile on your face, open your eyes. Namaste. If this stretching class served you in any way, please follow me on my Instagram account at Sinah for more movement and mindfulness content. Thank you so much for joining me in today's stretching class. Please download our Yoga Plus app for further exercise classes.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.